I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 28,200. You could say Bitcoin is forming this bull flag. This is supposed to break out to the upside, but there's a bunch of sellers up here. In essence, you've got this giant bull flag forming here. It's real simple. Instead of trying to predict this, we're just going long here on a bullish retest. We're opening up positions on any type of pullback. Everybody's going to jump in and buy the dip. It's that simple. The Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So looks like Bitcoin wants to push higher, wants to run up to this overhead resistance level. The idea with Bitcoin that I've been considering is that you get some type of ascending triangle here. If this happens, do you get the breakout sooner, right? Do you get the breakout sooner? We want to see Bitcoin take off. Will it happen sooner than later? But again, you're still in the same trading range that you've been in for 15 days, okay? There was some negative news that came out in the stock market that I'm going to talk to you about in just a minute. The Fed is serious about these rate hikes coming. Now, the Bitcoin daily chart. This is bullish because you had this bear trap and then a huge price spike higher, and now it's consolidating above this trend line here, right? So it's broken out, and even though it hasn't broken higher, potentially forming some type of triangle in this area. And 28,500 needs to be broken. You want to see 30,000, 31,500, 33,000. You need to see Bitcoin break and flip $29,000 on the 4-hour time frame. Make or break for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I said, how much did you make? He said a few thousand, only a few thousand, 13% gain so far. This person, this young lady, so you and Joe are seriously changing my life forever. That's a big statement. Every day is better because I have a brighter future because of these skills. I know you two, your heart's in this. You're hoping you're hoping you make a difference. Well, you are. It's huge. Aside from being a mom, this is the best thing in my life. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. People come in this group, they have no clue what they're doing, and we teach them how to trade this market. This person, $15,000 in profits in the last 5 days. Banging. That's all there is to it. Doge. I posted Doge. I said, watch for the meme coin explosion. 200% gains with some leverage on Doge. If you're in crypto to make money, join the group and I will help you. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices. Rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Banger after banger. These were the recent bangers over the last 2 days, 97%, 63, 40, 36, 32, 26, 26, 17. Gem pick bangers, constantly nailing all the best setups. Now, on the 12th of April, you've got core inflation, CPI coming out. All right, you want to see inflation come down. You also can expect some volatility on this date. The FOMC minutes, which is from the last Fed meeting, are going to be talked about and discussed. And that will give some insight to, is the Fed hawkish? Are they dovish? Or how is that going to work out? And this is going to be a big day. 8 days from now, put it on your whiteboard, write it down. Now, this is the Bitcoin 1-day chart. So if you pull time cycles based on this idea from low to high to the next low, you can see based on this idea, a move is coming. The date that it's showing is April 11th. So let's see how accurate it is. But this technical analysis says April 11th, which matches up with the exact idea we just talked about right here, April 12th, right? 1 day off. So we're looking for a move on a technical level, on a fundamental level. As far as the stock market goes, we're looking for a move out of Bitcoin on the 11th or 12th. Let's see what happens. Now we're in the Bitcoin weekly chart. So this is a giant double top that got confirmed right here. And Bitcoin's working back higher. It's a bearish retest until it breaks out and flips this level. The bulls have got to flip this level. If you want to see $33,000, $36,000, $40,000 Bitcoin, the bulls have got to flip this level. And part of the whole deal is, even if they come back down and retest the 200 simple, this is a bullish idea where you get a bounce and then upside out of the bullish price action. This even gives greater confirmation of this regain of the 200 simple, and it gives a lot more buyers. All the buyers are sitting right here ready to buy in. If they buy in, then you've got a lot stronger chance of a breakout above this. Very important on the weekly chart. Bitcoin dominance still moving sideways. This thing has been moving sideways for a period of time. This thing pumps, and I'm looking for Bitcoin move higher. This thing meanders to the downside. Bitcoin could potentially pull back slightly, move sideways, and these altcoins will run. And we've seen a lot of altcoins running. We've been making a ton of money. Now, the Fed official just said the Federal Reserve is going to need to raise interest rates above 5% and hold them for a while. This is serious. However, ES1 has been up only. So again, just another thing to pay attention to on the charts. ES1 on fire, but the Fed, this is hawkish. We're going to need to raise the rates above 5% and hold them for a while. And that's where the pain sets in. This is Paxful. And Paxful said, hey, you know what? We're shutting it down. We're done. This is from Paxful. So Bitcoin peer-to-peer markets are getting a lot more pressure. Paxful just suspended its marketplace. Another one bites the dust. We'll see a lot more of this. ADA, Cardano blockchain users are now going to be able to play on-chain games using their ADA tokens thanks to cross-chain network integration. So they're going to let Cardano users play blockchain games without bridging tokens to other networks. Bridging tokens between blockchains creates a lot of issues where you get the biggest exploits that we've seen in 2022. So this integration ensures every game is non-custodial, which means the funds remain in the user's wallets and don't need to be transferred to these games. And so this is pretty big for Cardano. Cardano won't just be a top EVM chain. It's also going to be a top gaming chain. They're looking to put out L2, layer 2 on-chain games with any Web 2 language using any game engine, all in pure ADA, making Cardano a top gaming chain by user count. So ADA, one to watch. Former Coinbase employee ready to settle insider trading case with the SEC. Not good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Insider trading on Coinbase? Like, this has been, Coinbase is a very well-respected United States exchange, and they are in hot water. Like, stuff like this, we got to get rid of this, out of this space. You want Bitcoin and crypto to take off, you got to beat this stuff. Like, you got to get rid of this stuff. You know, it happens in banking all the time, but I'm just saying in crypto, it's going to get emphasized a lot more than anything else. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.